Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video it is extremely exciting because somehow we have been insured on the Tesla. Now this isn't any Tesla, this is a Tesla Model 3 Performance. Where does it say it? Dual motor with a little red strip. I was going to say we got the keys, but we got the card to go around the block and take this thing for a spin. But yeah, I'm now insured on the insurance, so I can just go drive this whenever I want. This isn't my car, I've got to say, this is my dad's car, so we have now got the card to go and unleash this beast. But yeah, without further ado, let's hop inside the Tesla Model 3 Performance and let's go and drive this for the very first time. I was so excited, I've been waiting for this for like a week now. This is insane timing as well, because I would be standing where my car is, but as you can see, it's still not here. But that video, I've reserved the car. I should be picking it up very soon. So leave your notification bell on if you want to know when I upload that, and follow me on Instagram because I'll be going to be putting teasers on when I go and get it. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop inside. Actually, first, hold on. Unlock it first. That is weird. Unplug it because it's on charge right now. Used to doing this. Alright, boom, here we go. Whoa, it went down on its own. These handles are really weird. I've got to say, like, we've had this car for like 3 years, so I know my way around it, but yeah, here we go. We've got the white interior as well. It's so nice. Alright, let's hop inside. Oh, okay. Look, there's not even a button for the glove box there. See the glove box there? You have to do it on here. Look at this. What on earth? Let's stop chatting, let's get out and drive this thing. Alright everyone, we are underway in the Tesla. Oh my days. How the hell am I on this thing? 19, driving a Tesla Model 3 Performance. 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. Has like 560 horsepower, something around there. And has a top speed of around 160 miles an hour. It's a bit weird having the speedo here on the left on a screen. It's not in front of you, it's to the left. Oh my god, yeah, the regen braking as well. That is so weird. That's the first time I've properly noticed it. The regen braking, you don't even really have to brake with this car, because when you let off the throttle, it brakes for you with the regen. We have a range of about 250 miles when it's fully charged, maybe a little bit more. Straight away, I'm jumping in this and I'm feeling comfortable. Like, I know it's got a lot of power, and under your right foot it's bloody quick, but you can drive it so nicely and quietly and slow, and it's an easy car to drive. It's so easy. Just getting used to that regen is kind of weird. They call it one pedal driving because you don't need to use the brake, and I've never experienced that before. It is very strange. I'm used to just letting off and it coasting, but I let off and I'm slowing down a lot. It slows down so much it actually puts the brake lights on behind when you let off the throttle. Alright, here we go. First time accelerating. I'm actually kind of nervous. Alright, outside lane. Oh my god! Oh my god, that is lightning quick. That was to speed limit in I don't know how many seconds, but not many. Oh my god, the way that pushed me back in my seat then. It's the fact there's no drama about that at all. It's just literally silent, and then bang, you're at lightning speed. What the hell? Alright, we're at another roundabout here, which we're going to exit and put our foot to the floor. Alright, let's get in a straight line. We're going 30, I'll tell you when we get to 70. Oh my god, that is 70. Jesus Christ, that was literally, bro. Oh my god. Now the Tesla Model 3 doesn't have ludicrous mode, so I can't do no ludicrous mode, which is annoying. I mean, you can put it in ludicrous mode somehow, but it takes it off warranty or whatever, and Tesla don't like when you do it. As soon as you do it, they disown you. They're like, nah, you've ruined that car. So, you know, we're not going to do that, as you know, we quite like having warranty. All right, now we're on a dual carriageway. There's one thing to do. Let it drive itself. Let it. Okay, there we go. Oh, that is so weird. Wait, how do we up the speed a bit? Oh my god, it's fully on its own right now. Mate, that feels so weird. We're getting to a corner in a second. We're getting to. Are we meant to? Wait, all right, we have to wiggle the wheel to let it know we're still here. Okay, we're getting to a corner. Okay. Yo, that's horrible. Yo, that is so bad. Yo, turn, car, turn. Yo, I don't like that. I'm cancelling that. I don't like that one bit. Okay, nice. We got no one in front of us for the exit of this dual carriageway here. There's the old Ferrari. What the hell? Alright, around we go on the exit. Bro, oh my god. That is so fast. You guys let me know down below, what is this? That is nice though. Ferrari Dino GT, it is. Is that a real replica? I don't know. That is nice though. Oh, there's cars in front of us, so we can't do an acceleration. Holy crap, that actually hits my head against the seat. Luckily these seats are so soft, so it didn't hurt, but Jesus, my head literally slammed then. Wiggle it to let it know we're still here. Yeah, look, see, I'm wiggling. I'm wiggling! I'm wiggling! Jesus, car. Oh, people are overtaking. There's a slow car. Now, this is a thing this car has no problem doing, is overtaking. Where's the slowness? Yeah, right, here we go. We're going for it, lads. We're going for it. Holy crap, it's no sweat! Oh, no sweat! Goodbye! Jesus Christopher! Like, that was mental. That was just indicate, boom! And tuck in. And we're now getting to a country lane, so we can now see what this thing's like round corners. Now that's one thing, this car weighs over 1.8 tons, right? This thing's a heavy car. The centre of gravity is low because the batteries are all under the floor, but it's still a really heavy car, and the brakes aren't brilliant, I'll be honest. The brakes is something Elon doesn't really like to go spend too much money on, shall I say. I mean, even the Tesla Plaid in America, which does 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds, still has just the standard brakes. Yeah, they may be a bit better, but they're still they're not good enough for the performance of the car. He needs to put carbon ceramics in that thing. But yeah, that's one thing with this car. It's very heavy and the brakes aren't brilliant. So on a country lane, you do have to be careful. Right, we get into a couple bends here, a couple twisties. So let's see, around the corners here. You do get the sense that it is a heavy car, and the steering, you don't get much feedback from it at all. You can tell the steering is electrified, because it's like, if that's even a word, because you don't get feedback. It's weighted. You can choose the weight. You can put it on normal or sport steering, which just weights up a bit. Yeah, it's a nice car to drive. I mean, I don't know what I can say really, because it handles all right. You know, it's heavy. You can tell it's heavy. There's not loads of body roll, but it's not flat. Around a pretty sharp corner here. Let's see if it. Okay, it grit. Flipping out. If you're into cars, you would never replace a petrol car. What are you doing on my side of the road, you twat? Oh god, we can do a 0 to 60 right now. Look at this. Goodbye. Bloody hell, it doesn't stop either. Oh, he's there, left in the dust. Goodbye. That, I think, concludes, and it's sick now because we can do videos on the Tesla. And if you guys want to see anything with the Tesla, any features you guys want to see that you want me to do, let me know down in the comments. There's so much this thing can do. So put it down in the comments below. But yeah, I'm super excited to be on the insurance of this thing. Another acceleration here, it's straighten up, and that, if you did that a lot, you'd end up getting a headache, because the Furiosity, it slams your head against the headrest. You would get a headache eventually. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe down below. Anything you want to see with the car, let me know down below as well. And yeah, super excited to be on this thing. But thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, and vitamin, welcome to the Lion.